Welcome to the world of floating shelves. Let's craft elegance together. First, gather your materials: wood planks, brackets, screws, and a spirit level. Measure and mark where you want to place your floating shelves on the wall. Using a stud finder, locate the studs behind the drywall for secure mounting. Drill pilot holes into the studs where you marked your shelf positions. Attach the shelf brackets to the wall using screws, ensuring they are level. Now, prepare your wooden planks by sanding them smooth for a flawless finish. Apply your desired wood stain or paint to enhance the natural beauty of the wood. Let the stain or paint dry completely, allowing time for the perfect hue to set. Once dry, apply a sealant to protect the wood and enhance its longevity. Allow the sealant to cure fully, ensuring a durable and lasting finish. Slide the prepared wooden planks onto the mounted brackets with grace and precision. Ensure each shelf is level using your spirit level for perfect alignment. Make any necessary adjustments to guarantee a perfectly balanced display. Secure the shelves to the brackets from underneath using small screws. Conceal the screws for a seamless, floating appearance that wows. Step back and admire your handiwork, the shelves now ready for decor. Time to style your floating shelves with your favorite decorative items. Arrange books, plants, and cherished mementos to reflect your unique style. Play with different heights and textures to create visual interest and depth. Consider adding small picture frames or artwork for a personal touch. Don't overcrowd the shelves. Leave some empty space for a clean aesthetic. Adjust the lighting to highlight your display and create a cozy ambience. Step back once more and appreciate your stylish and functional floating shelves. Floating shelves offer a versatile storage solution for any room. They add a touch of modern elegance while maximizing your space. Experiment with different lengths and arrangements for a custom look. Floating shelves transform any wall into a functional work of art. Enjoy the beauty and practicality of your new floating shelves. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey. Happy decorating!